So as you can see, the eye cut was done for the skin and for the muscle. So lay out your rat like this. You will notice that you have the liver, you have intestines, and you have some other items. So let's go through those. This big lobe right here is your left lateral. Then you can see the medial. You can see that that is split from the right lateral lobe. So on your exam, you need to say left lateral lobe of the liver. This is the medial lobe of the liver. This is the right lateral lobe of the liver. And the caudal is way down here. That is the caudal. Caudal meaning tail. So that's the tail end of the liver. You are going to have to pull up the liver to see the stomach. Do not pull it off. You want to leave it on there. So here's the stomach. The spleen is located, the spleen is this moon shape, this crescent moon shape piece right here. That's the spleen. So the stomach then has a little knob up here. That is the cardia region of the stomach. The main portion of the stomach is the fundus, and the portion over here that will lead to the pyloric sphincter is the pyloric region of the stomach. You can no longer say stomach, you must say regions. So now we need to look inside the stomach and see what our rat had for supper. See what the Last Supper was. Take the razor blade, make a transverse cut. You're going to take the stomach in between your thumb and middle finger, or thumb and index finger, and simply slice down. Careful of the razor blade. Open up your stomach. This rat did not have anything to eat. You can see these ridges. That's the rugae. Okay, there's the rugae. Those are the ridges that expand. Some of you will not be so lucky. Some of you will have a stomach very, very full. You're going to have to clean out the stomach, so pick it out. That you can throw away, and you may have to wash it out. Just saying. Connected to the stomach then, we start into the intestinal area. You now need to know the different regions. Here's the first part of the intestine connected right to the stomach. Now, you can call this the duodenum or the duodenum. We don't care, as long as you spell it correctly. That's all we need. So that's this first part. The main part of the intestine then is the jejunum. In order to find the ileum, which is the third part, you have to find the cecum first. That's the pouch. Special note, do not open the cecum. The cecum's job is to store what's left over. We don't want to smell that. So we need to find the two different areas of what's coming in and out of the cecum. You will see that we have this piece and we have another piece off to the side. The smaller piece usually is the ileum. The larger piece coming off the cecum is the ascending colon. The rat doesn't have a transverse colon. It only has an ascending and a descending. So in order to see that, we have to move everything out of the way. Find the cecum, find the ascending colon, right here, you can see the ascending colon, come up here and around, whee, and move the jejunum out of the way, and here you have the descending colon, right here. Notice the little pockets of things. Don't open that up either. We know what that is. Then you see this brown cottage cheese stuff. That's what I call it. Brown cottage cheese stuff. That's your pancreas right there. So when you're looking for the pancreas, right there. So there's some more, right? Here's some more right here over by the stomach. That is pancreas. Right there. The descending colon goes down into the rectum, down into the rectum, and then of course the anus is right there underneath the tail.